Hi there, this is a small instructional video on how you add or edit numbers for both subscribers and authorised users on the Multicom GSM system by AES. Generally, subscribers are like the apartment or the house. Usually consists of a house number, occupant's name, phone numbers, divert numbers and a keypad code. Whereas the authorised user is a person that is authorised by the subscriber or the house owner, who can give them access by either the authorised numbers phone or a keypad code. So you as the manager would be the person responsible for making changes to the GSM Multicom. I've just basically put a little post-it note along the bottom here just to give you an idea and just remind you of what these programming features are and what the actual buttons do. So it's just a bit of a reminder of that. But generally, now to add or edit numbers, firstly you've got to go into manager mode. So that's by pressing the menu button and then put the manager coded, which is defaulted at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and enter that. So that brings you to another menu where you can now add a subscriber. So the subscriber being like the house number or whatever. So your arrow down, which is the cursor key, you can move up or down with that, and then press the accept button. And then the first house number would be, say, house 1. So house 1. You can have any number you want, really. You could be start from house 10 or whatever, but we'll just do this one from house 1. Enter that. It will ask if you want to add, and your cursor to yes. And then the first it will show you then is 5 options. The N, which is the name of the person, or like the surname. So we can set that up as, say, something like Adams, or so we'll just put that in. So A, wait for it to scroll to the next one. D, A, M, and when you're happy with that, okay, that one, let's save that. So now the first number 1 is the first number, so that was the first number that the GSM will call. So we'll do that as, at the moment we'll do that as my mobile number so you can see it working. So that is enter. Right, okay. So my number's been entered there, so we can just prove that it all works. The second one there is the divert number, so it will phone that number first, then move to the divert, and if it can't get hold of that number, it will move to that one. And so the only other thing that you need to add is the keypad code if you want a keypad code. So we'll move to that, and then put, say, 455, and save that. So that's basically the subscribers done. So you can actually exit out of that, and then you can either scroll to Adams or you can just press 1, which is, or 10 or whatever house number it is. So we'll go 1, and that's calling the number. You can escape out of that as well if you want by pressing A. But that will call the number. So that means your subscriber's done. So you can, the next we can move on to authorized numbers. Same setup again, where you go to the manager code, 4, 5, 6, and then authorized numbers are at the bottom there. Okay. So we want a new authorized number. Make that, say, 1. And add, and then it'll come up with the name again. So you basically do it the same as before, put the name in, put their number in, So that their number is the one that if they ring the GSM using their number, it will open the gate or it will open the door for them. And they've also got their own code as well, so you can put a separate code in. And it's just basically set up the same as it was before anyway. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to add numbers. If you want to edit any numbers, we'll just quickly run through that. So if I escape out of that, and then we just go to manager, 6, enter, and then move to back to the subscriber. We can delete the whole subscriber. So enter that. 1, enter. Just go to the name there, and if you press B, which is delete, so delete, it asks you if you want to delete, move to yes, done. So you can delete that as well, and that's it, all done.